In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a draft email template as an HTML file from Mailchimp's new builder in Chrome. To begin, make sure you already have your active draft email template open in the Mailchimp new builder inside the Chrome browser. Before you do anything else, take a quick moment to confirm that you're viewing the correct draft version, especially if you've been working on multiple campaigns or template variations. This helps prevent exporting the wrong file and saves time later. Once the draft email template is open, look toward the top right corner of the block editor page. There, you'll find the three dots menu icon. This is the More Options menu, and it contains additional actions related to your template. Go ahead and click that icon to open the contextual options list. After the menu appears, look through the available options and select Export as HTML. This option tells Mailchimp that you want to generate a downloadable HTML version of the draft template you currently have open. Exporting as HTML is useful if you want to archive the layout, share it with a developer, or use the code outside of the Mailchimp editor. Just make sure you're selecting the export option from the correct template screen before moving on. When you click Export as HTML, a confirmation pop-up alert window will appear. This is simply there to confirm the action before the system creates the file. In that pop-up, click Export Template to continue. Once you do that, Mailchimp will begin preparing the HTML file for download. Finally, when the download is ready, save the downloaded .html file to a local directory on your device. Choose a folder that's easy to remember, especially if you plan to edit, upload, or reference the file later. A clearly labeled folder for email templates or campaign exports can make future access much easier. And that's it. By opening your active draft in Mailchimp's new builder using the three dots menu, selecting Export as HTML, confirming with Export Template, and saving the file locally, you can quickly create a usable HTML copy of your email template. This is a simple process, but it's a helpful one whenever you need a backup or a portable version of your draft.